Modern human variation and the typological model. Understanding diversity in Homo sapiens. Welcome to Anthronet Academy, a study aligned with the UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Introduction to Human Variation. Definition: Human variation refers to differences in physical, genetic, and cultural traits within the human species. Factors: genetics, environment, and adaptation. Historical perspectives on human classification. Early classification based on visible traits. Impact of colonialism and ethnocentric biases. The typological model. Definition: a classification approach assuming humans fit into distinct racial categories based on fixed traits. Origin: 18th to 19th century, Carl Linnaeus and Johann Blumenbach. The typological model is an early method of human classification that assumes humans can be categorized into distinct racial groups based on fixed physical traits. It was widely used in the 18th and 19th centuries, with figures like Carl Linnaeus and Johann Blumenbach proposing racial categories based on skin color, skull shape, and other visible traits. However, this model has been scientifically discredited because it oversimplifies human diversity and ignores the fact that genetic traits exist on a continuum rather than in rigid categories. Modern anthropology favors clinal variation, which recognizes that human traits change gradually across geographical regions rather than fitting into strict racial classifications. Key assumptions of the typological model. Human groups have distinct, unchanging characteristics. Physical traits are used to define racial categories. Major proponents of the typological model. Carl Linnaeus classified humans into subspecies based on geography. Johann Blumenbach introduced 5 racial categories. Limitations of the typological model. Overgeneralization fails to account for variation within groups. Rigid categorization ignores genetic fluidity and interbreeding. Criticism of the typological model. Inaccuracy overlooks genetic overlap and variation within populations. Scientific rejection. Modern anthropology favors clinal variation over rigid categories. Conclusion and key takeaways. Human variation is continuous, not categorical. The typological model is outdated and replaced by clinal and genetic perspectives. Modern anthropology promotes understanding diversity without racial biases. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology. Stay safe and connected.